We're currently heading up to a place called Cao Bang, which is about 6 hours north of Hanoi, up towards the Chinese border. There's a large waterfall. I think it's one of the biggest ones in Vietnam, and it's half in Vietnam and half in China. So yeah, that's where we're heading. I'll just give you a picture of the bus. Hang on, I'll turn this around. Our little bus.
The bus stopped for a break about halfway to Cao Bang, and we were hoping to get something to eat. We noticed some activity over here where some women were cooking something over a fire. We decided to take a closer look and were told it was hom lam, or in English, rice in bamboo. We were given a tube to try. Trevor had a bit of difficulty trying to work out how to get the rice out and needed help. Turns out you just peel it open like a banana. The rice also had peanuts added to it, and it was quite nice, and we were happy to have something to eat. Hi, we're in Cao Bang. We arrived here about 1 o'clock this afternoon. We were picked up from our hotel in Hanoi at 6 o'clock this morning by a VIP limousine bus. Took about an hour to get out of Hanoi, or maybe even more, just to sort of drive around Hanoi, and we had to change buses, one VIP bus for another VIP bus. So I'd say we were on our way by about 8 o'clock. So it was probably about a 6-hour trip to get from Hanoi to Cao Bang. Yeah, some people think it's Cao Bang, but I've actually discovered it's Cao Bang. So Cao Bang is the right pronunciation, I think, for it. Yeah, so we booked this hotel. It's called the Diamond Hotel. We did that on the bus, so it was available, so we took it. It was $36 a night. It's a pretty basic hotel. It's got big double bed, single bed, so we can put our gear, lots of room for the gear. Bathroom this way. There we go. It's not too bad, at least it's clean, and you just got yourself. So we decided to head out to have a look at the Cao Bang markets this afternoon, and we needed a bite to eat, so we saw this little street cafe which sold rice soup, and we're just going to sit down and have something to eat. Yum. Oh, duckies. Did you see the ducks up there? Over there. Oh, really yum. Really yummy. Where's the fruit?
Thế là mua cho con gà đi.
After the markets, we decided to take a walk along the river which runs through the town. There are numerous coffee and eating places located along the promenade. What we have noticed in the short time we have been here is the lack of foreign tourists. We seem to be the only Westerners in town. We have had a bit of trouble communicating as there is very little English spoken here. Half the time when using Google Translator, the locals don't always understand the Vietnamese on the translator. I believe it's because there are 9 different ethnic languages spoken in Cao Bang. You would not know by looking over the city that in 1979 there was a fierce battle fought here between the Chinese and the Vietnamese. Anyhow, it's time for me to have a coffee along here somewhere and think about where we're going for dinner. Pedro's Pizza. It was on TripAdvisor, so I thought I'm going to come and try some and got a margarita. A bit too hot yet, but this looks bloody good. Simple. Oh. As we are heading to Ban Gioc Waterfall tomorrow, I thought I would share a photo of this large mural that is on display in Cao Bang. The waterfall is the area's main attraction, along with Angel Eye Mountain, and the reason we came to Cao Bang. See you at the falls!